So we have this equation, NH3 plus O2 gives us N2 plus H2O. I've written down the atoms on each side of the equation. Let's count them up. We have 1 nitrogen here, we have hydrogen, 3, and then 2 oxygen. On the product side, we have 2 nitrogens, 2 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Why don't we try to fix the nitrogens first? Why don't we put a 2 in front of the NH3? So 1 times 2, that'll give us 2, and then 3 times 2, that'll give us 6. So our nitrogens are fine. We have oxygens and hydrogens. They're not quite there. It looks like what we need to do here to fix the hydrogens would be to multiply the water by 3. So we have 2 times 3, that equals 6, but now we have this 1 times 3, and that equals 3. So it's a little bit awkward right now. It looks like we're going to have to get this oxygen here to be an even number to deal with that over on this side. And that could change everything. But let's do that. Instead of a 3, let's double that. And then that'll give us an even number of oxygens. So I'm going to change this to a 6. So I put my 6 right here. And now I have 1 times 6. I have 6 oxygens. And then I need to update my hydrogens as well. So for hydrogens, I have 2 times 6. That gives me 12 hydrogen atoms. All right. Well, I can fix the oxygens if I put a 3 here. The oxygens are fine. The nitrogens are fine. But we have a problem here with our hydrogens. So it looks like we'll need to change the coefficient here to get 12. So let's do that. If I want 12, I'll need to have a 4 in front of the ammonia, the NH3 here. So 3 times 4. That equals 12. Now the oxygens, the hydrogens are fine. Let's update our nitrogens here. We now have 1 times 4. That equals 4. So we've got almost everything there except the nitrogens. And if we put a 2 right here in front of our N2, 2 times 2, that equals 4. And now everything's balanced. So we've balanced this equation here. All the coefficients there, they're equal on both sides. So that's the balanced equation for ammonia plus oxygen yields nitrogen gas plus water. It's a bit involved. My main strategy here was to get the odd numbers to be even, and that required some doubling of things. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.